name is Michael Michelle, and this is my very first video for YouTube. So we are going to get right into it. So today I'm actually going to be teaching you guys how to go from yellow blonde copper to a platinum blonde, all in one setting without damage. I'm really excited to show this because so many people have been asking me on Instagram how to get platinum blonde. How do I get those platinum blondes? They ask me questions like, do people have to come back 3 or 4 times? Are they able to get it done in the same day? And all of these different things. Around. You can see some gold, some brass, some yellow, and she just absolutely hates this color. Of course, it was not this color at first, but just over time of shampooing your hair with different stuff, it changes. So I'm going to talk about different products that you can use to keep your hair refreshed and vibrant and blonde and ashy, and then also products that you can use to keep your hair healthy. Okay guys, so before you get started with coloring any client's hair, it's very important and very crucial, one more time, very important and very crucial that you know the level system of the complete level system. And you need to know the level of the client's hair before you are trying to take them any other color. That's very important. If you do not know the level of client's hair, you will not know how many levels you need to go up or down to get wherever you need to go. Okay, so that's very, very, so this client is a level 7. Some people might say she's level 8, and you know what? She's arguably a level 7. She can possibly be a level 8. But for the most part, she's super dark. So a lot of people want to know what I use to color and lighten my client's hair. So I always use Flash Lift. I've been using Flash Lift for, actually since I got out of hair school, probably about 7 years ago. And also I went to the Aveda. I'm a graduate from Aveda. So I use Flash Lift. I love Flash Lift. Once it's finished. Okay guys, we are back, and guess what? So I placed her under the dryer for about 1 whole minute, right? With my secret product that I put in her hair. And look how platinum blonde her hair is already compared to this. Booyah! Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. We know that her hair is strong enough to achieve what she wants to get done in the picture that you guys are going to see in the next slide. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. Woo! Boy, you should do like that. That was so fucking fake.
Okay, so as you can see, I am actually applying to the roots first. I like to start off with the roots because you don't want to put damage on the already colored processed hair. So I'm actually sectioning each section really even, and I'm applying from the roots only. I like to make sure that it's super saturated. That way that you can entail that you'll get a full coverage and you don't have to go back over the hair once everything is washed out. You would hate to wash your hair out and then you see some spots. So make sure that the hair is fully saturated the first time. So as you can see, I'm leaving a little teeny bit of the roots out. She does want her hair to look like a natural blonde where it looks like it grew out a little bit. So I'm not going to apply all the way to the root. So I'm probably going to leave like a little bit, I'm going to just say a little bit under 1/2 inch. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all the way around.
The back and the side probably already processed for about 15, 20 minutes, so we're gonna let the other side catch up. You should always make sure that you're going and checking each section to make sure that the client's hair is not breaking, making sure that it's not falling off, making sure that the integrity of the hair is still there. How you do that, turn them around, just like that, right? And we're gonna go ahead and pull it down. Wow, you guys see that? We're just gonna pull it, tug on the hair just like that. Just make sure that it's all good and saturated. Now, once the lightener is dry, once you start seeing it looking crunchy and like completely dry, it's not lifting anymore. That means it's not working anymore. So you probably would just have to saturate more. So that's why you should always make sure you get enough lightener on it the first time. So we're just gonna go ahead and let this process, and then we will be right back. Bye.
Voila. All right, so this was just a bleaching process. No toner was put on. That will be put on next. But as you can see, her hair is still healthy. It's not shedding. It's not breaking. It's perfect.
All right, so look, this is what I'm using. I'm using a 12N.
Is it like this?
And then I put a 12V inside of it as well. And this is by the Color Fusion Redken product line. So I'm gonna actually use the 12V, the 12AV plus the regular 12 natural color as well. You guys are probably wondering, why am I using a 12 on her hair if her hair is only level 8-9? So the reason why I'm using this because this is a lighter color, right? Her hair is darker, and the 12 is actually gonna lift her hair a lot more red, and it's gonna be a little bit safer than me just lift her hair bleach. Also, it's gonna deposit and take away a lot of the yellow and add in the neutral tones that she wants. She wants to be ashier, so that's what we're gonna make her a little bit ashier. Oh, don't get. Dang, you know I was fucking clumsy. I'm up here trying to be fucking cute. All over. It does not matter where you put it at. A lot of times people would say do the same way where you apply the lightener. I don't want my bra showing. Which is the mid shaft. Sorry, the roots, the mid shaft, and then the ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and part her down the middle. Now, what I can say is she does still have some yellow tones in her hair. And that's totally fine. This just adds some dimension. But the goal was to take out all of that copper that she had in her hair prior to us coloring, and that's what we did. I did not want to go in and remove any more yellow because, we were trying to make sure that we keep the integrity of her hair, and that we did as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and style it, and then I'll be right back. I think you do it like that.
So this is the final result. I love the outcome. We gave her a trim. We probably chopped off about 1 inch of her hair. It took about 5 hours to do this. So I thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, and I hope this was very helpful to you. And I will look forward to seeing you guys' comments and everything. Thank you so much. Bye.